Today's tech tip is on how to find free slide templates for Google Slides and how to download those and use them. So if you search for free slide templates, you'll find several different websites. I've used several from Slides Carnival before and Slides Go. I'm going to go to Slides Go and just show you how that works. So in Slides Go, they have them sorted by different types. I'm going to go to the education, and as I scroll through, I see that they've got a lot of different types of slides that I could use. And if I want to look at, say, for example, this math lesson, I can preview it here by clicking through those slides. If I click on it, it takes me to another website where I can look at those previews here as well. And then there are these buttons over here to the side. Use as a Google slide. I could even download this as a PowerPoint template. So if I choose to use as a Google slide theme, when I click that, it's going to open it up and it's going to ask me to make a copy of this slide. So when I click the make a copy, it just opens it up. It is making this copy in my Google Drive. And when it all comes in, you'll see all of the slides that are available for you to use, and you can click and drag and drop those slides in different orders if you like. They have a lot of different slides, so they have about 40 some slides. It's still loading, and the last few slides will have icons that you can copy and paste and use in other parts of the slideshow. So that's handy when, for example, oh, it's still loading. Let's say, for example, that on this slide you don't want to use these three triangles. If you copy, delete that one, and then go down to the slides that have all the icons, you can copy and paste those and put those up there in the colors that you want. So any of those different little graphics, and there are lots of pages of those. Now, what I want to do is I want to save this in a location so that I can see it later. So for example, over here in my drive, I have a folder that's called Slide Templates. And so if I go into Slide Templates, I see all of these different copies of slides that I've used before. So to save that over there, I click on this folder that appears once I've downloaded it, because right now it's just in the root of my drive. But I can go over here and I can save it in that folder, the Slide Templates folder, which is alphabetized. Oops, I skipped it. Well, there we go. And so once I've moved it here, then it will be located there. I think I've already saved this one, so I'm not going to save it there. And then when I'm ready to use it, instead of changing the one that I have, I'm going to open it up and say make a copy, and when I make that copy, it will leave the original in my Slides template folder, and then I can move the copy to my unit folder and make the changes there and delete the slides that I don't need anymore. Hope you find this useful. Share it with your students because they are getting tired of the Google Slides themes that are currently on there as well.